welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a dashboard. That dashboard will be used by our clients, which will be the students, and students can do anything on our app using that simple dashboard. So what happens whenever a person logs in, he is redirected to the dashboard, and that dashboard is being used by them to apply for visa, to apply for applications, and for anything else on our app. So that dashboard will be totally backend driven, but the skeleton will be made by us on the front end side on React. So let's take a demo of the dashboard and let's try how does it work and how it looks. I have already made it for you and we'll be making it today together. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, there are steps. There are home, my profile, university courses, my application, which we designed and all. We have dark mode. We have steps also. You can click on any step and it will be all backend driven. But for now, we have created it just like that. It's showing profile and it goes to its respective route and it's totally responsive also. Okay, so let's head to the code and let's start coding this. So this is where we left our code. Now we'll go to the routes. You can see we have public and protected routes. So we'll do one refactoring. We'll keep all the public routes on the public folder and protected routes on the protected folder. So let's create a folder known as public and the other one as protected. Since we know dashboard is protected, we'll keep it there and everything else in public part. Okay, so let's start this and see if it's working properly or not. Okay, you can see it's showing some errors, so we'll fix that. Public routes.tsx sign up should be login.tsx. We'll go there and we'll fix that. Okay, it should be one more level up. What is sign up? Sign up also has the same thing, one more level up. Now the home part. Or station on protected routes. Auth provider. Okay, so inside dashboard, auth provider, and that is but login. Remove this and later ID install it. Okay, so now it's done. Yeah, so now what we'll do, we'll start making it. So we have refactored it. Now let's do the other part. So let's go to the dashboard and let's create a dashboard container. Dashboard container. Inside containers, we'll create a dashboard container now. Dashboard container. Yeah, so our dashboard container skeleton is ready at least. Dashboard container. Yeah, so now once we are logged in, once we are in dashboard, you have to log in. It should be empty. Yes, so this is dashboard container. So now let's code the dashboard container. Okay, so now let's go to the dashboard container. So for dashboard container, we'll first make it a box, yes, which is being used by Chakra UI as a section. Let's not give it a background right now. We'll do it later. Minimum height should be 100 view height, so it will be the full width, full height of the viewport. Now let's create another container known as sidebar container. Because our dashboard has a sidebar also. Sidebar container. Yeah. So let's create the sidebar container now. So this will be also a box as a navbar. Let's keep its position as fixed, top 0, because we want it to be on the top, and left also as 0. Then index should be 60, height should be full, pattern bottom should be 10, overflow x should be hidden, overflow y should be auto. Background, so it's up to you, you can keep it anything. Let's for now okay, so let's keep it something, do 300 for now. We'll change it, or you can change it according to your needs. Color black alpha, and let's keep it 300. Okay, so black alpha means it's little bit transparent with blackish tone. And width is 60 pixels. Let's keep the props also. Okay, so sidebar container, now it's formatted also. Now here we'll call sidebar container. Yeah, that's fine. So let's create sidebar containers, flex box inside this flex. Now adding on top and bottom as 4 and as 5. Align center. So here we will keep our logo. Let's create. We don't have logo right now, so we'll use something, but for right now I am just making a constant for logo. Let's keep it this only right now. Yeah. It will be gone once we do it correctly. Now let's go to the other column, flex direction column as now size same. You can give it a area label also. So let's make main notation. So we'll be having a menu. Let's create a navbar menu. And this navbar menu will be inside utils navbar menu.js. So I have already created it. I'll copy paste it from there, and you can also check the code on GitHub. Link is in the description. So this is the navbar menu, and we have some constants also which I created. We'll update that also. For the logo also, we'll change the image to the required one. Okay, so let's head back to sidebar container where we were. Yeah, so now we have navbar menu. It's an array of objects. Let's map it. Let's take name, icon, URL, key, and rest of the props. Link to URL and key. Then we'll make a nav item. I'll show you how to make this. Nav item and icon and rest of the props. And here it will be the name. Let's create the nav item now. So now we'll in the component folders we'll create dashboard components separately. So we'll make a dashboard named folder. Inside there we'll make components. So for nav item /index.tsx. So we'll follow this convention now for making components which are separate for the concerned type. Nav item. So let's create nav items. Flexbox type align center. You can keep it anywhere, whatever you like. Margin top and bottom is to rounded medium. Adding top and bottom for cursor, and since it will contain all the links. Color, we'll keep it purple for now. Most probably we'll be keeping it dynamic so that people can change their own themes. On her, we'll make it background as black alpha 300 and color should be white alpha 300. This row be cropped. Let's keep it like this. and let's destructure the props. What we'll get will be icon, children, and rest of the props. Now let's design an icon. If icon is there, then let's create icon, margin right as well, box size to 4, and it should be a group hover. Color should be gray, 300 as icon. And now we'll put all the children here. Seems like something is issue. Okay, so I forgot to close it. Yes, so now it's happy. As icon should be as icon component, as icon props. Okay, so now we're done with this. Yeah, so I fixed this conditioning and now it's happy. So sidebar container is also done. Let's see you in the next one for the other components which we'll be making.